On the day when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, graced this world with his presence, divine signs and miracles manifested, signaling the dawn of a new era. In this video, we'll explore each of the 5 miraculous events that marked his birth and delve into their significance. 1. The idols in the Caba fell and crumbled. Inside the sacred precincts of the Caba, a symbol of unity and holiness for Muslims, the idols representing false gods and beliefs fell down and shattered into pieces. This dramatic event was not merely physical, but held profound spiritual symbolism. It symbolized the end of idolatry and the triumph of monotheism, paving the way for the pure worship of Allah, the one true God. This divine act highlighted the power and sovereignty of God over false idols and marked a significant turning point in the history of Islam. 2. Collapse of 14 towers in Kishs' palace. In the ancient city of Madain, the grand palace of the Persian Emperor Kisra experienced a remarkable collapse as 14 of its towering structures crumbled to the ground. This event was not merely a physical phenomenon, but carried deep symbolic meaning. It symbolized the decline of oppressive regimes and the eventual spread of Islam's message of justice, equality, and peace. The collapse of these towers marked the beginning of Islam's influence beyond Arabia, signifying the transformative power of the Prophet's teachings. 3. Extinction of the eternal fire of Zoroastrians. For centuries, Zoroastrian temples maintained an eternal fire symbolizing purity, divinity, and continuity. However, on the day of the Prophet's birth, this sacred fire suddenly extinguished, leaving the Zoroastrian community astonished. This event held immense significance as it signified the end of old beliefs and practices, making way for the emergence of Islam as a new spiritual dawn. The extinction of the eternal fire symbolized the divine intervention and the beginning of a new era guided by the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. 4. The sudden drying of Lake Sawa, Tabaria. The famous Lake Sawa, also known as Lake Tabaria, experienced a miraculous event as its waters swiftly dried up on the night of the Prophet's birth. This astonishing phenomenon left onlookers awestruck, witnessing a divine intervention that echoed the arrival of a transformative figure. The sudden drying of the lake served as a powerful symbol of purification, renewal, and spiritual transformation. It marked the beginning of a new chapter in history, where the teachings of Islam would spread and bring about positive change. 5. The birth of a bright star in the celestial realm. On the night of the Prophet's birth, Jewish scholars renowned for their knowledge of celestial events observed the birth of a radiant star in the sky. This celestial phenomenon, interpreted as a divine sign, affirmed the prophetic mission of the awaited last prophet. The birth of the bright star symbolized guidance, enlightenment, and the divine presence on earth. It served as a celestial announcement of the arrival of a messenger of God, whose teachings would bring clarity and guidance to humanity. In conclusion, the day of Prophet Muhammad's birth was adorned with miraculous events that held deep spiritual significance. These divine interventions affirmed the prophetic mission of the beloved prophet and continue to inspire believers worldwide. Each event symbolized a unique aspect of Islam's emergence and the transformative impact of Prophet Muhammad's teachings. I encourage you to delve deeper into the life and teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and discover the timeless wisdom that continues to guide and inspire millions. Like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thank you for joining me on this miraculous journey. God bless you all.